So as our continuous improvement initiative was gaining traction and starting to involve folks from around the firm, we wanted to very simply create some sort of a Kaizen board. We wanted one place where people could go to see all of the improvement that was happening around the firm, where they could make suggestions, where they could offer input. Transparency is one of our fundamental tenets to improvement. In order to really drive culture change, we wanted everyone to see what was happening, and we wanted to be fully transparent about all of our improvement, no matter how strategic or business metric focused it happened to be. But we operate in 7 offices around the country, and I'm a huge fan of simple solutions when a simple solution will work. I much prefer simple over sexy if the simple is going to not become a barrier. The fanciest technology on the planet looks really slick, but if it causes people to not use something because it's too hard to figure out how to turn it on or remember your password, then it doesn't do us any good. And as much as I wanted a simple whiteboard with some magnets and an eraser, we just couldn't manage that across 7 offices. So we looked for a digital version of the Kaizen board, and we found a platform called KaiNexus that actually wound up in the end offering us a whole series of things we didn't realize we needed until we started our work. And so through the KaiNexus platform, folks are able to see anywhere in the firm what's going on. It acts not only as a virtual Kaizen board, but as really a robust project management tool. It hadn't occurred to us when we started this that if we were successful and lots of people started submitting opportunities for improvement and working on ideas for process change, we were suddenly going to have to track and manage all of that process change. We were going to need a place to store information and content that was generated, and a way for people who weren't directly involved with the project to track its evolution. And so shared drives and network folders and documents with terrible file names are all not a good way to work. And KaiNexus, because it's a cloud-based solution, offers us a way to sort of achieve and overcome all of that in one very elegant and very intuitive platform. It's easy to use, it's not complicated, and I knew that we were on the right path when our COO, who is no spring chicken, was working on an improvement project, and I asked him to send us a copy of the outline for a training program he'd been tasked with creating. And he very wryly replied that I would find it where it belonged, posted on KaiNexus. So, touche, George. It's easy enough for George to use, and if George can use it, anybody can.